Well, hi. I'm getting ready to do the preview for this week's auctions. I have the folding table right behind me over here. Here's the story so far. This is what it looks like. Here's a little sneak peek into my world right now. As you can see, there's not a lot of room to move around. Shelves are going up here later today after I record the preview for this week's auctions. And then this is the folding table that I have set up. And this is the stuff. This is going to be really good, everyone. 2 weeks ago, I did this amazing haul for this consigner estate. And I promised that it was going to be in 2 weeks. And here it is. This is it. 2 weeks later. We're going to do this week, Wednesday and Friday night at 7. And I'm going to go through it right now. And there'll be starting bids listed below the auction video. Okay, so this is going to be in this week's auctions. You can check the card in the description below for the haul video that I did on this. This is going to be in this week's auctions. I'll sell them separately, I believe. They're beautiful together, but they're not really a set. It's just she wore them together. This is amazing. Start thinking about Christmas and your Christmas money. And this will not be the order in which the things show up. That'll be listed, so you'll know when what you want to bid on will be kind of showing up. Look at this one. I love this one. I thought I was going to keep this one, but it's going to be coming up this week. And this is in the original box. All of these things are in the original boxes, which is really, really nice. The amazing, ooh, it's tight, Barbara Bixby ring with all the original paperwork and everything. This was such a good estate collection. Look at this. This is consigned. So, you know, fresh from the collection, first owner, Ross Simon. Look at this. Look at the clasp. All kinds of gemstones and pearls in here. I'll put this one back in the box. Just for fun. I love these. Also wanted to keep these. These are spectacular. So special. All of the Met Museum jewelry was reproductions of antiquities. And this is, they did costume and real. This is real. And they were limited edition. So there you go. So that's coming up Wednesday and Friday at 7. This is coming up. This is not everything. I will be adding more. But this is an idea of the good stuff. So real opportunity here. Just an amazing opportunity to get anything from this collection, honestly. This, I know I got a lot of questions about. I'm starting everything really reasonable. Look at this, Silpata. This is stunning, minimalist, modernist, in its original box. These. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Feel free to watch again. I could use a little boost with the with my numbers. I missed last week entirely. So, ooh, what's going on here? Okay, oh yeah. So this is a sterling watch. Incredible just as a bracelet, but it's a watch. And then we have, oh yeah, I love this so much. Look at this locket. with its original chain. This is so beautiful. Look at this. It's just so beautiful. This is coming up. So the amber ring, no, amethyst ring, amber pendant, the omega chain, and the other amber pendant. Clearly look at the size of this. Oh, look at the pattern in it of the inclusions. Oh my goodness. So she clearly switched these out onto this omega, and this ring is amazing, once in a lifetime. And then there's another ring set like that. This is really the creme de la creme of the whole collection, in my opinion. This designer set. One of a kind. This is so heavy. Everything will be weighed. And then this goes with it. So it gets worn like that. That looks like chalcedony to me, or maybe milky aqua. Oh my gosh, incredible. Okay, here it is from the side, and then I think actually you wear it. Yeah, just amazing, amazing in its original box. And I mean, this is usually what I would be saving for holiday, but it's coming up. Oh, let me leave it out. Then we have, oh, I did that already. Oh, it's this. Okay. Haha. Look at this one. In its original box from Ireland. Just such good taste, you know, modernist, beautiful. All right, thank you again, everyone, for watching. I will see you tomorrow, Wednesday at 7 at the auction. See you at the auction. Bye.